In this video, I'll explain how to track a Western Union money transfer with or without an MTCN. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to track your Western Union transfer with or without MTCN first, open Google and search for Western Union tracking. After the search results appear, select the first result that says Track Your Money Transfer Western Union and open the first option. Once the page opens, an interface will appear that shows the transfer tracker. On this page, there is an option to select whether the user is the sender or the receiver. After selecting the appropriate option, the next step is to enter the tracking number, which is known as the MTCN number. This number appears as a 10-digit tracking code. Enter the 10-digit tracking number in the provided field and then click on Continue. After clicking Continue, the transfer status will appear on the screen. The information below will display the status of the transfer. If the status shows delivered, it means the transfer has already been completed and the money has been sent to the receiver's bank. If the bank is unable to process the transfer, a notification is sent to the sender explaining that the transfer could not be processed by the bank. If the tracking number or MTCN number is not available, another option can be used. Select the option that says Don't know the MTCN number. After selecting this option, choose whether the person checking the transfer is the sender or the receiver. Once the selection is made, two different methods will appear for locating the transfer. The first method requires entering sender and receiver details. These details include the sender's first name, sender's last name, receiver's first name, and receiver's last name. After entering these names, select the receiving country, enter the transfer amount, and provide the date of the transfer by selecting the month, day, and year. Once all the required information has been entered, click on Continue. The second method allows the transfer to be searched using the sender's phone number. In this option, the sender's country must be selected and the sender's phone number must be entered. After that, select the receiving country, enter the amount that was sent, and provide the date of the transfer. Once all the required information is filled in, click on Continue. The system will then search for the transfer and display the transfer status. In this way, a Western Union transfer can be tracked using either the MTCN tracking number or the sender's details. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.